Welcome to Support Genius. We offer free tech support to our subscribers. Please subscribe and tell us about your problem in the comments under this video. We will help you for free. Let's go.
Welcome to Support Genius channel. My name is Kevin, and today we will talk about how to optimize Windows 11 for gaming. We're going to use the guides from the official Microsoft site. So let's get started. The first step is to create a restore point so that you can restore all of your settings if you don't like something. To do this, type restore in the search. Click on this point. Select the disk where your operating system is located. Enable protection for this disk if it is not enabled. And create a restore point. Step 2. Turn on Storage Sense. This will allow the system to automatically free up disk space by getting rid of unnecessary items such as temporary files and items from the recycle bin. Go to Settings and type Storage in the search. Click on Storage Sense. Check if it is enabled. If it's not, turn it on and click on this item to get to the settings. Here, we set the periodicity of Storage Sense. Set it to every day. And deleting files from Recycle Bin, set it to every 14 days. Start Storage Sense. Step 3. Disable unnecessary notifications. Go to Settings, System, Notifications, Additional Settings, and at the bottom disable these two items. Step 4. Turn on Game Mode. This mode improves FPS stability in games. Type Game Mode in the search. Click on Turn on Game Mode and check if it is enabled. Step 5. Audio Settings. Go to Settings, System, Sound. Click on More Sound Settings. Here, select the active device and go to Properties. Under Enhancements, click on Disable All Enhancements. Apply changes. Under Advanced, select the highest sound quality available. Apply changes and OK. Now, under Communications, select Do Nothing and click Apply and OK. Step 6. Disable Unused Startup Apps. Type Startup in the search. Go to Startup Apps. Here we can see all the applications that are launched at Windows Startup and then run in the background, taking resources from the operating system. Disable those applications that we don't need at System Startup. Step 7. Disable Unused System Functions. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Speech. Disable Online Speech Recognition. Next, select Diagnostics and Feedback. Here we disable the item Send Optional Diagnostic Data. Next, under Location, we turn off Location Services. Step 8. Power Plan. In the search, we type Power. Click on Edit Power Plan. Here we go to change advanced power settings and see the available power plans options. On my laptop, only the balance plan is available, but many will have a high performance option. If this option is present, select it and confirm the changes. Step 9. Videocard Driver. In the search, type Device and go to Device Manager. Here we click on Display Adapters. For each video card, do a right-click, Update Driver, search automatically for drivers. If the system finds more recent versions of drivers, install them. Step 10. Service Tweaks. In this step, we will disable some services that we don't use, but they consume system resources. In the search, type Services. Next, in the list of services, look for Wallet Service. Right-click Properties. Under Startup Type, select Disabled. Apply the changes. Then turn off Windows Insider Service in the same way. You can also search for the fax service and disable it if it is present in your list of services. Step 11. Windows Visual Effects. In this step, we will disable unnecessary visual effects that take up system resources. In the search, type Performance and go to Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Here, we select Adjust for best performance. This will disable all visual effects in Windows. We will leave some of them. Enable the following. Animations on the taskbar. Save taskbar thumbnail previews. Show thumbnails instead of icons. Show window contents while dragging, and finally, smooth edges of screen font. Apply the changes. Go to Advanced section and choose Programs. Apply. OK. Our final optimization step is mouse settings. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Mouse. And under Mouse, click on Additional Mouse Settings. Now go to Pointer Options and turn off Enhance Pointer Precision. This function gives uneven movement of the cursor, so for games, it is better to turn it off. Apply. OK. And this is all with Windows 11 settings for gaming. One more thing I would like to suggest. If your operating system has been installed for quite some time and has started to run slower, there's an option to reset everything to factory settings and get a clean Windows that will run much faster. Here's a video of how to do it. We provide free tech support for our subscribers. Please subscribe and write your request in the comments section of this video. See you.